myself Ashish Das. Welcome to my YouTube channel ATS Tech Info. In the previous video, I have already explained about the folder creation and also about the deletion of folder. In this video, I will explain the process by which we can store various documents in that folder. Let's start the video. First of all, the ATS folder is created. I will explain again. Right click, then click on new, then go to folder option. A new folder appears and we have to type the folder name. Folder name is given, then click outside. It is saved. Then go to this PC. I am using Windows 10. That's why this PC appear. If you are in Windows 7, it will show the computer icon. Then go to documents. Then choose any documents. Choose one document. Then right click on it. Then click on copy option. In keyboard you can press Ctrl plus C for copy. Then minimize it. After that, go to that folder. This is my folder. Then open it by double click it. Then right click and click on paste option. Here it appears. That means in one folder I have stored only one document. How to store multiple documents at a time? Then we have to go this PC, then documents, then press the control button and click multiple files. Click multiple files and hold the control key. Then right click on any selected area. Then click on open option. Then minimize it. Click on copy option. Then minimize it. After that, double click on it. Then right click, paste. We can use keyboard Ctrl plus V to paste. I will tell about recycle bin operation. What is recycle bin? Recycle bin is the storage area where the deleted items are stored. This is the icon of recycle bin and all the deleted items are stored. Now this recycle bin is empty, and if I will delete any file or folder, then right click on that folder, then click on delete option. Then that ATS folder has been deleted and it is stored in recycle bin. Now see, recycle bin is not empty. It contains some files, folders. Here contains files and folder that you have deleted. That means all the deleted items are stored in the recycle bin. Then double click on it. Then this ATS folder has been deleted and stored in recycle bin. Then if I will right click on that folder, then it will show four options: restore option, cart option, delete option, properties option. If I will click on restore, then it will be restored in the previous area where it is deleted, from where it is deleted. Click on it, then it will remove from recycle bin and it will be on desktop. And again I will delete it. It is stored in recycle bin. Then I will tell the next option, cart. If I will cart it, then it will be caught from recycle bin. It is faded, it looks like faded. Then I will go any area. You can paste it here, desktop, or in this PC. Then any drive you can open. You can open any drive. Then you can paste it here. Right click, then click on paste. And now I will explain recycle bin's third option. Right click on it, then click on delete option. But it is very dangerous, because if I will delete from a recycle bin, then it will be deleted forever from your computer system. And then be sure that you do not want it in future. Then it will appear a message, are you sure to delete it permanently? If you are already decided to delete it forever, then click on yes, or you can click on no. I will click no. Then next option, right click on it, then click on properties. By clicking properties, it will show a dialog box appearing the deleted date and time and created date and time. We can know the deleted time and also created time, and we can click on restore option. It will restore from where it is deleted. Then click on OK. Then go to your desktop. It is here. It is all about your recycle bin operation. Thank you.
Please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon so that you have the latest updates, and also like and share the video.